In celebration of Computer Science Month, I wanted to make sure that everyone knows about the standards that I consider hidden standards. In science standards at every grade level, there are computer science standards. So it's in every single grade level for computer science. So they are in there. And here is a shortened version. So at the K2 level, there is communication and collaboration, modeling and simulation, problem solving and algorithms, digital tools, hardware, software, computer human interaction, AI. And then, they have computer practices and programming, so data analysis, responsible use of technology and information. So these are actually listed in the standards. So if you go, let's look at science. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Subject, science, grade. Let's do first. So in here, so these are obviously the E, the E, the E, the E, L, N, P. Oh, there it is at the end. So these right here, these computer science, it's in every grade level. It's in the science standards. So really, it's on the teacher in the classroom to be teaching these. We do have a computer science teacher here, luckily for K5. So she is doing a lot of these, but these are still in your standards. So if you're saying you've taught all the science standards, if you haven't taught computer science standards, you haven't taught them all yet. So some of them are pretty easy, some of them are not so easy, and we can help you with whichever ones. But like a lot of these, creating a digital artifact that it clearly expresses thoughts and ideas. They do this all the time. This is their publishing. So a lot of these concept mapping, that's BrainPop. So a lot of these you do already. Illustrate thoughts, ideas, and stories in a step-by-step manner using writing tools, digital cameras, and drawing tools. So all of these can be taught in creates and charts and infographics, can be taught, especially this year. But when we're renewing our STEM certification, if our teachers aren't teaching the computer science standards, which are built into their science standards, they may frown on that. So you guys are already doing these. It's just a matter of figuring out how they're labeled. So this is documents from CPALMS about how it goes at each grade level. It's K2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9, 12. So they talk about how the progression of them. Computer science, it talks about what computer science is. They were adopted in 2016. They are added to the CPALM site. It's in the CS. The CP means computer practice and programming. There's the 4 big ideas for computer science. This goes through some of the information. The standards, go through some of the standards. So like this one for the phases of the moon, then maybe they can make a flow chart on it, build a simulation in Scratch based on the phase of the moon. This is not just a computer programming class or computer science class. This is regular grade level class. So this is a 4th grade lesson. So they have them watch a video, they discuss the points, they make a flow chart. There's the decisions, or there's the examples, phases of the flow chart. So, and then like making Scratch, costumes, and final version. So there is information out there. Here's the statute about it. So if you were curious about it, about that it's supposed to be taught, teachers are supposed to be trained. Code.org has a lot of trainings. So this is about the computer science standards that are in every single grade level embedded into the science standards. And if you have any questions or want to teach computer science in your class and need ideas, let me know.